Select the company to add in the incoming invoice entries and to view its report, click Entries. There will be few subtabs underneath Purchase Department, click on Incoming Invoice. There are two ways to create incoming invoice reports. In with purchase order, add in supplier name, PO reference number, invoice date, purchase for, product, category, and profit center. Click on the green Add button. You can view all the invoice underneath it as you scroll down. Then, click Save Invoice. Next, is without purchase order. One will have to click on the Purchase Department, click Incoming Invoice to refresh the page. Add in the vendor's name, vendor address, SST number, business register number, invoice number, and invoice date into the respective columns. Add in the product, quantity, price, total SST amount, purchase for, then, choose the subcategory and profit center. Click on the green Add button. Select the Paid or Not Paid button box. Then click Save Invoice. To view the incoming invoice reports, click on the Reports tab, then, click the Purchase Reports. There will be few subtabs underneath. Then, click on Invoice Report. To search the invoice reports, you can search in all these ways or by just clicking Search Invoice. To view the invoice, click on the magnifying glass icon. Click the red X button to delete the invoice. These are the steps as illustrated. Thank you for watching.